tug that brush right in. Oh, too much. Wow! Hold on. Hey, Lori Taylor Davis here. I'm going to take you through the definitive steps of how to shape, bronze, and glow using our Cali contour kit. First step, contour. Contouring is all about creating soft shading on the cheeks, chin, and around the outer portion of the face. It should always look like soft shadows, never stripes, and should just add the right amount of shape to define the features. Its perfect partner is always highlight. I'm going to start with a matte highlighter first. This just helps to lighten and brighten certain areas of the face and will always make your contour pop with very little product. Step 2, radiant highlight, which really helps to pull the features forward. It can be applied right over the lighter matte highlight and really helps to pop and add that gorgeous high wattage glow. Again, high on the cheekbones. And don't forget the center of the face. Avoiding the tip of the nose. A little bit on the cupid's bow for a pouty lip, and on the center of the chin. Now last but not least, I love cheeks. I'm an absolute cheek girl. So just a little bit of cheek color helps to tie everything together. The perfect cheek application is starting far back and dragging forward. It's just gonna give you that subtle amount of color without looking too overbearing in the center of the face. Now if you want to add just a little bit more, you can actually run a little bit of the blush and the bronzer across your eyes as well. It adds the right amount of heat so you look perfectly done, very Cali style, where everything is easy. So it's the perfect amount of shape, bronze, and glow all in one palette. You look California ready.